Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CADCAM Tech 360. Like, share and subscribe and also click bell icon.
Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about spotting and drilling in CNC turning program. This is the drawing. It has 70 mm diameter. This is the major diameter. We are going to hold this diameter in the chuck while drilling, and the step diameter is 35 mm, and we are going to make hole 12 mm diameter, and its length is 40 mm. Before going to make a drilling operation, we have to make a spotting operation. It will guide the drill, and runout will not come. We can achieve the drill size. That is why we have to make a spotting operation before the drilling. In this drawing, this is the zero position, x0 and z0. Basically, turning machines have two axes, x-axis and z-axis. By using this point, we make the program. This side is x plus, and this side is x minus, and horizontally this side is z plus, and this side is z minus. According to this, we make a program. This is a spotting drill. Somebody is called center drill spotting tool, like that. By using this, we make a spotting. It has small diameter in front side, and 45-degree angles over there. 30-degree angle also available in the market, and diameter, various diameter we can also get in spotting drill. Then let us see drill bit. This is the 12 mm diameter of drill bit. By using this drill bit, we are going to make hole the length of 40 mm. Okay, let's start the program explanation. First, we have to see spotting operation. First one is 01253. This is the program number, and next one is N1. This is the block number, a sequence number. Spotting, we can write here operation: spotting, drilling, grooving, etc. Then G28 U0.0 W0.0 is the home position of machine. T0303, first 03 is tool number, and second 03 is offset number. And G97 S1200 M3. G97 is constant surface speed, and S1200 is spindle RPM. M3 is spindle rotate in clockwise. And next one is G0 X50 Z50. This is the safe position. And G0 X0.0 Z2.0 M8. X0.0 is center of pot. Z2 is the 2 mm gap will be there between pot and drill bit or spotting. IMIT is coolant on. It is ready for cut the material. Then next one is G1 Z minus 5.0 feed 0.1. Here metal will remove in the pot up to 5 mm depth. Then G0 Z2. After completing the material removal, it comes back positive 2 mm G0 Z2.0, then G0 X 50.0 Z 50.0 M9. This is the safe position and the coolant will off. And also next one is M5, spindle will stop. Then G0 G28 U 0.0 W 0.0 is home function of machine, and M1 is optional stop. After completing the operation, we have to give here M1 optional stop. All function will stop here. Again we start next operation. Ready for next operation. This is the drilling operation. The drilling operation and the spotting operation is same, little bit is different. I tell you what is the difference. Here I have given T04 and 04, and RPM I have reduced here S600, and Z minus 40 I have given here to achieve drill length. In previous spotting operation I have given 5 mm, Z minus 5 mm. This is the difference between spotting and drilling. And here I end up the program. I have given M30 program end and rewind. Okay guys, I hope you will understand this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share your friends, and comment your suggestion and your doubts. Okay guys, we will see in next video. Thank you.